Microsoft Planner is a project management tool that helps teams collaborate and organize tasks efficiently. Here's how to use Microsoft Planner for projects. Create a plan. Start by opening Microsoft Planner from the Microsoft 365 dashboard. Click on New Plan to create a project. Name your plan and choose whether to keep it private or share it with your team. Organize tasks into buckets. In Planner, tasks are organized into buckets, which can represent stages of the project or categories. You can create multiple buckets depending on your project needs. Add tasks. Add tasks by clicking on plus add task in a bucket. Provide a task name, assign it to team members, set due dates, and add labels to categorize tasks. You can also add detailed descriptions, attach files, or add links to each task. Track progress. As tasks progress, update their status. Planner offers a visual board view to see tasks organized by buckets and chart view for tracking progress and task completion. Collaborate. Use comments within tasks to communicate with your team. Planner integrates with Teams, enabling direct collaboration and notifications.